video, we are going to see why is it important, why do we need a brand strategy. So, this is all about to understand why do we exactly need a brand strategy. Why is it so important and why so much importance is given to brand strategy. Let us start and begin understanding the needs and how does brand strategy help us. Firstly, brand strategy help us to stand out from competitors. Means, see, there are many people who are selling similar product and similar service to yours. So, why, in which ways you are going to stand out from them? What uniqueness you are going to give them? To give your customer, what unique kind of value you are going to give your customer so that you are going to stand out from competitors. You are going to stand out. That means you are going to uniquely stand so that you will be noticeable. And secondly, it will help you to guide your marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is very important because marketing always depends upon branding. So, marketing strategy will be followed by branding strategy. So, it will guide you. It will be your help. It will be a ladder to your marketing strategy. Branding strategy will be a ladder to marketing strategy. And thirdly, the most important thing it is going to help you. You are engaging customers. In this business, you want engagement of your customers. Means you want likes on your social media, you want comments, you want share, you want your content, that is a video, your post to be shared among different people. You want their subscription. So you want a action from your customers. After seeing your post, after seeing your videos, after seeing link, you want them to take an action, either to click on your link, either to share it, either to use it, or either to subscribe in your channel, etc. So you want different kind of action to be taken by them. That is engaging customers. So your branding strategy is going to help you to engage your customers, and it is also going to help you to keep your customers loyal. That is potential customer. Your customers will turn into your potential customers by making them loyal. Means by making them our long time customers, by letting them order our product, letting them take our service. We'll grant them our services and products. That is potential customer. When they are going to be in a continuous contact with us, they'll turn into potential customers. And the most important thing, it will guide you to brand goals. Means what are your goals relating to your brand? It is going to guide you to reach out to it. So in these ways, branding strategy is going to help you to overcome, to achieve your goals, to understand your customers, to convert them into your potential customers, to engage your customers, to help in marketing strategy, to stand out from competitors, to brand goals, to achieve those goals. So in these all way, branding strategy is going to help you. That is why brand strategy is very important, because these all things are very important to lay down the foundation of your business. So we will learn brand strategy for all these things. That is stand out from competitors, marketing strategy, engaging customers, potential customers, and brand goals. This is all about how it is going to help us accomplish all these goals.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.